we've got two options. We can go back the way I came, through the guards' quarters. It takes time, but it's safe. Or we can go through the prison blocks and get right into the fight. Your choice.
Let's take the prison blocks. I'm ready to kick some ass.
Hell yeah. Let's do it. Four, this is Delta 2. We are en route. Over.
Copy that. We are beginning our run. 6-4 in position. Fox 1, Fox 1.
Hey! 6-4, this is Delta 2. Hold your fire. We are inside the prison. Over.
Roger that. Holding fire. Advise you relocate ASAP.
Man, if Command knew I was here to get you, I'd be in some deep shit. Come on, let's go.
Nice.
What the hell's been going on in this prison?
You don't want to know.
Ground units are taking heavy fire. We have hostiles in all directions. Copy that. Calling for reinforcements, over.
Marcus! The tower! King Raven, take cover!
Roger that. Moving in.
Oh, yeah!
6-4, we are moving to your location. Over.
Copy that. We are clearing area for extraction.
Marcus, grab the grenade. Marcus, use your grenade! Okay, I think we're good. Let's grab some ammo. Marcus, they're cutting through the door. Take cover. Take cover! Get ready. Here they come!
Scratch one, grub.
Let's get out there. Delta 1, this is Delta 2. We are ready for extraction. Over.
Copy that.
I see 3.
Enemy units right there, over. I see them. Moving in.
Back in your hole!
More are coming too close to your right. Can you suppress? Over. Negative. We can only cover one target. We need your guns. Over. Negative. We are also taking heavy fire. Stand by. Incoming. Now! Oh, shit! This is 6-1. I'm hit. Controls, not... 6-1 is down. I repeat, 6-1 is down. Be advised, we are aborting mission. Repeat, we are aborting mission. Retrieving Delta squad now. Delta, there's something moving below ground. Over. I see it too. What are we looking at? Hell if I know.
Marcus, we've got to move to the Raven now. Go!
Enemy reinforcements!
Take cover!
That one was on the house. Good luck, Delta.
Get up those stairs. Alpha's waiting.
Okay, man, here we go. You still got it?
I guess we'll find out, huh?
Come on! Grubs! Marcus! Flank him! Marcus, flank left!